Good morning, everyone. We're on day 22 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And the sketch artist today is Shannon Blinn. She has a matted layout, which is always one of my favorites. And she has 3 photos down the side. They look like they're just about square, maybe a little bit taller. And then she has maybe a 4x6, or it could be a 5x7. The title's right underneath that. She has an embellishment over here. So that's a really super easy layout and just what I need for my photos today. And I have a picture of my 2 granddaughters and their dad. It was his birthday. And here it's really going to be about Tegan, who decides Daddy has to have croissants. And I don't know if I think she did other baking too. So here she is getting ready to put it in the oven. And then it must be too hot for her to handle because Daddy's coming out. He's got his tie over his shoulder, and here he is getting it out for her. So I think it's really cute. And then these are both girls with Dad. Okay, so I've taken and matted all the pictures with this, and here's what it looks like on the other side. This is from Mintay's Happy Birthday, and I've also used this for, the collection for the oldest one's birthday and also for Alex's gymnastics outfits. So today I have the star paper again, and I've taken the center out of it. The back looks like this stripe. I really wanted to use the stripe twice now, but I love the stars. I have to use those. It's like I wish I would have bought one more of the stars because they're just so pretty. Okay, and the floral is beautiful too, but I'm gonna use this because it was just too busy. I mean, you know, I'm all about busy. I'm all about floral, but I had to use this because otherwise it just took away from the pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna, and I've cut off a whole inch because I want to see a 1/2 inch of these stars. And I'm just, almost taping the whole thing down, but I'll be gluing it later too, so it doesn't matter. So I want to see a lot of these stars, so I've taken off a whole inch. And in the sketch, she looked like she had a pretty wide frame also, but I would have done it anyway just because I need to see more of the stars. Okay, I've lost the invisible ruler. Oh, there it is. I have too much stuff going on here. I've got my scrapbook swap stuff. My scraps to embellishment stuff here. Oh, and I've got some kind of sticky thing here. I don't want that on me. So I'm getting rid of that. Maybe. Yeah, I did. Okay. Okay, and I've got it just about in the right spot. Okay, and it looks like it's about straight top to bottom. And yes, it is. Yay! That's a record. Jot that down on the calendar. Okay. So I'm going to put them in this order where she's getting them ready. And this, she must have called him out. Dad, I need help. And then the one where he's on his way out. And the one where he's pulling them out of the oven and she's making a face. Let's see, I want them to all be about this far from the edge. and they don't get much space in between them. And I really cut them down as much as I could to get to, so that I could have them all lined up here. And you know how the ruler wants to just let it slide underneath after you get so far down towards the T. And I keep saying I'm going to buy that new ruler, but I haven't done it yet. Now they look crooked. Okay, let me see if I can. Let's see, what size are they on this side? It is up 13/16. What do we got here? Just about 13/16. So I need to tilt this one a little bit. Well, I don't know what the deal is now. It's too far that way. Okay, I think I need to do this. Okay. So I'm just measuring the pink paper now. Okay. So it is a little more than 1/4. Okay, I'm just going to line it up as, because it sure looks straight here, but it didn't look straight on the bottom. So I'm just going to line it up with the pink. But I'll tell you, the stars was straight too. But you know how I am. I'll have to fuss with it until I'm happy. I mean, not that I'm not always happy. Okay. Looks good. Going with it. Okay. And then, per the sketch, this photo is about in the middle. And so I'm going to have it pretty close to these pictures. Maybe about that far away. And again, I'm going to, I don't know, I'm just going to make it look even with this. Okay. Okay, I think that's good there. And I'm going to call it Birthday Baking. And that will fit right here. I couldn't decide if I wanted to do it like this or like this. I think I'm going to keep it like this because the embellishment is just one big embellishment or one cluster. So I'm going to pause and put down the title and I'll be right back. And as you can see, it just made it. Okay. So since it's about her baking for Dad on his birthday, I'm going to use this cart with all kinds of goodies on it because they said they know she made something else. They just couldn't remember exactly what it was. So I'm going to use this, the little cart with all the goodies on it. And this is from the the pre-cut die cuts. So it is laser cut. It looks lovely. Oops, totally missed that. Now there is a little bit of white here, but I'm not going to worry about that. Now the one thing is it kind of wants to be crooked, but I'm working at keeping it straight. Okay, and then I have some gifts. So I'm putting that on here. And I'm going to tape that. I'm going to tuck it right underneath these. But I'm going to push it up just a little bit. Oops. I was pushing that string from the balloon. I don't want to mess with that. Okay, I think probably right about there. And then I have a bag that's a gift also. And this is also from the laser cuts because I know I didn't cut out between the handles. Okay, and I'm just pulling this a little bit more forward. And then I have these, I'm just going to call them disco balls every time. One of the disco balls. Oops. And I'm going to tuck that down behind this here. I love a round shape is one of my favorite shapes, so it's fun to have these and just tuck them in. And I'm going to have to pull that up just a little bit more. Okay. And I'm just tucking that behind the gifts. So I've got both those there. And then I have one that's smaller, and I'm going to put that in the front. And I'm always making sure that the highlights stay in the same place. So I'm just going to put that here like it fell from wherever they were at. And then I have these balloons, and these are also part of the die pack. And I'm going to put this, I'm going to kind of raise it up like maybe it came loose and it's starting to float up. Okay, and I really want gold enamel dots. And do I have any? Yes, I do, and these are not the right color. Let me see if I have some in here. I have these. They might work, and then I also have these. Okay. These like little gold gems. So if I can't really tell through here if they look like the right color. Oh yeah, they're good. Okay. And these are from the DIY shop, and I got them at Tuesday morning. You know, I can't tell you how sad I am about that being gone. Okay, so I'm going to do a little cluster here. Let's see, how many sizes do we have? Oh, we have just 2 sizes. Okay. I do like 3 sizes. That kind of makes me like, how am I going to work that out? Okay, so I'm going to put one where, I think I'm going to put 3 there. And use all. I'm going to move one up. So I still got my little 3 thing going on. And I'm going to put, I don't know where to put them over here. Okay, I'm going to do one big one, a smaller one, and then a smaller one here, I think. That should be good. Oh, nope, I see that this needs to be lower. Oh, nope. I think that's one of the funniest things. Okay. And I really want to put a couple up here, just to draw your eye around the layout. All right, I think that's it. So thank you for joining me. It seems like this was a quick one. So make sure you check out, there's 2 links below. One takes you to the YouTube link, and you can watch everybody there that has done YouTube videos and connected them up. And then the other one is on Facebook, and you can go to find like if you just want to see what everybody did with this layout, you go to the one that looks like this, and it'll say March 22nd underneath it, and you can just see what everybody else did with this sketch. So that's pretty fun. So I'd like to thank Shannon for the adorable sketch. It worked perfectly. And I'd like to thank Christy for all the work she does on this. We just couldn't do it without her. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will have close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.